act. Atmospheric river event is bringing the heaviest rainfall Florida has been since winter, with wind speed downpours expected to continue over the next several days. Tornado warnings wailed across parts of the Florida Panhandle on Saturday, including one tornado near Enhance that was confirmed by radar. Officials in Destin, Florida, reported damage from a possible tornado as severe weather moved through Saturday morning. Multiple businesses and vessels were damaged, said official with the Okaloosa County Sheriff Office, adding there were no reports of injuries so far, but dozens of locations were without power. In addition to sharp weather forecast models show the potential for wind speed rainfall with total ranging for around an inch, the latest impact area to possibility upwards of a foot in communities that see repeated round of thunderstorm. The Forecast Center said the system responsible for this surge of partition in a low pressure system that has become part of the main jet stream